In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the explosive stations here in Arc Raiders. Now, before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help with the channel and let us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top left of your screen from the lobby. You unfortunately can't do this within a game, but once you are in the lobby, in the top left corner of your screen, you're going to see a workshop tab. Go ahead and select that. And once you're inside, you're going to want to go ahead and select one of these plus icons somewhere down here to open up the install page. Now, from the list of options, what you're going to want to do is just find the explosive station. It should be the first option right now. In the future, there may be more stations though, so just keep that in mind. But as of right now, it is the first one. And from here, you're going to see all the requirements listed on this right-hand sidebar. So for example, in this one, you need 50 chemicals and 6 arc alloys. So just keep that in mind. Once you gather those materials, you'll be able to build the explosive station and start crafting explosives like grenades and so much more. If you're having issues getting these, go ahead and select track resources and it'll just make keeping track of it a lot easier. But whenever you get them, hit install and you're good to go. But that is how you can make the explosive station here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.